Hello everyone, I am Nivedita. If you don't know me, I am a third year student in BPO. What do I mean by BPO? That is Bachelor's in Prosthetic and Orthotics. So I am making this video to share one of the incredible incident which I got to experience and I learned from that. तो मेरे साथ एक इंसिडेंट ये हुआ कि मैं स्टेशन पे बैठी थी एंड आई गॉट टू मीट वन लेडी. उनको एक दिक्कत है, दैट इज एलोपेशिया. And what do I mean by alopecia? Firstly, that is hair loss. So alopecia is a very common condition, and most of the people are not aware of it, or they have never heard this condition. They just know hair loss in general terms. तो ये लेडी हमारे साथ 1 घंटे के लिए सेम स्पेस शेयर कर रही थी एंड इनके हेयर एकदम नेचुरल थे, तो मैंने इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था पहले, बट बिकॉज शी मूव्ड सम लगेज एंड एवरीथिंग, देयर इज अ difference. Whenever normal human hair moves, it will not move for more than once, but there's a difference when like there's a texture difference, but everything is looking as normal. तब मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ कि there is something which is very different from our hair. तो I asked her कि आपने कौन सा ट्रीटमेंट कराया है. So she said कि उन्हें एलोपेशिया है और उन्हें कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कराया है. She is wearing a prosthetic hair restoration. So I'm like, is there any technology which is even doing this? And I am not aware of that up to now. तो उन्होंने मुझे ये बताया कि she researched a lot. She is a IT professional and उन्होंने मुझे ये बताया कि she got to know about CNC 3D prosthetic hair prosthetics. So she told me everything about this hair prosthetics. इसमें उन्होंने मुझे ये बताया कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस है कि ये नॉन सर्जिकल है, पहली चीज़. फिर उन्होंने मुझे ये भी बताया कि ये इटालियन मेथड, मतलब इटालियन मेथड से बनाई जाती है, इससे फाइबर्स बनते हैं. पर इसके उन्होंने मुझे ये तक बताया कि क्या क्या स्टेप्स होते हैं, कि इसकी केयर कैसे होती है, कैसे बनता है, 3D प्रिंटिंग से स्कैल्प कैसे बनता है एंड ऑल. सो दिस इज द होल इंसिडेंट विच हैपेंड with me and I wanted to share about this hair processes. CNC 3D hair processes use कर रही थी, तो she made me aware of this technology and then I did my research on this and I got to know that what kind of things which are done in this kind of processes. So CNC 3D printed hair processes do exist and I got to know these are non-surgical medical grade hair replacement option. It is a 3D printed which creates a second kind of scalp which is having exact shape, contour of the head will be as similar to what it in real is. It do have a good results. It is as seamless, as natural as it can be. Then I got to know that there are several steps which they have to go through, and then I did my research and I made some methods and pointers for everyone so that I can share it with everybody. So there is something called as scalp mapping. That is a digital kind of scan, so that before making any previous plan they have to make a 3D scanning on the scalp. So this is a process where scalp mapping is done by the scanner. This is done digitally. Then the second part which they used to go for is 3D printing, which is match their exact shape and the color of the scalp. So can you believe this, how technology got so advanced that we are even able to match the color, contour, shape, everything. Then